Hello, good morning all of you. I am Professor S.K. Yadav from Dr. Rajendra Gode College of Pharmacy. Here we will discuss a new experiment to determine the melting point of given solid organic compound. For this experiment, we need some apparatus and chemicals. The requirements are Thales tube is first and basic requirement for melting point determination if we are going for physical determination, or also we can use digital melting point apparatus instead of Thales tube. The second important parameter is thermometer to check the temperature at which substance gets melted. Thermometer. Then next, thread is useful for tying the capillary tube to the thermometer. And next, capillary tube. The organic solid substance which we have to fill up in the capillary tube, which should be closed from the one end. Next, chemical requirements for this experiment. First, liquid paraffin is used because liquid paraffin having higher boiling point. We can easily determine the melting point in liquid paraffin. This is overall requirements for this experiment. We are using benzoic acid as a sample which we have to determine the melting point of benzoic acid. Next, procedure for this experiment. First, we have to take a capillary and we have to seal its one end by holding it in the flame. With the help of flame, we have to seal the one end of this capillary as shown in the figure. After melting the one end, the capillary will seal is shown in second figure, which is completely closed by the end. The second step, take a small quantity of powder organic compound into sealed capillary tube. We have to fill the organic compound powder into sealed capillary tube. Then how we can fill that compound in capillary tube? Take the powder in a butter paper or in a watch glass and tap the capillary tube on the powder organic compound. Due to compression, that powder drug will be entered in capillary. Less amount of organic compound powder drug is required for determination of melting point. No need to fill the full capillary tube. After filling, the powder organic compound will goes to the one end which is closed Next point, tie the capillary to thermometer with the help of thread. Tie the capillary to thermometer with the help of thread. We have to tie the capillary which having the organic compound powder drug. We have to tie to thermometer which we are using to determine the temperature at which that substance gets melted. Tie it properly so it will not lose during the experiment operation. Next step, immerse the thermometer into capillary tube, into Thales tube containing liquid paraffin. We have to fill Thales tube with the liquid paraffin. And thermometer with capillary tube which we have tied together. This thermometer and capillary tube we have to immerse in that Thales tube containing liquid paraffin. The liquid paraffin level should be optimum and that capillary tube should not dip in that liquid paraffin. So liquid paraffin will not enter to capillary tube. Next step, heat the Thales tube with gas burner. The Thales tube is heating with the help of gas burner. The heating process is specific for Thales tube heating. The side tube of Thales apparatus which we have to heat for some time. Due to heating to that side tube, the liquid paraffin will circulate equally and liquid paraffin will not get higher temperature at a specific site. Note the temperature at which solid compound converts to liquid and report it as a melting point. Once that solid compound gets melted and converts to liquid, check that temperature and report it as a melting point. As shown in figure, the capillary having substance which is converted to liquid which is visual, at which temperature it get melt, we have to record the temperature and we can call it as melting point of that specific compound. Also check the temperature at which that substance get melts. The temperature is shown by the thermometer which we have to record. The melting point of benzoic acid is shown in this figure as a 122 degrees Celsius. Next step, repeat the procedure for twice and take the observations. we have to repeat all the process for twice, because in a single operation we cannot conclude the main melting point of specific compound. Repeat the process, as we have to seal the capillary with the help of burner. Fill the sample in capillary tube and tap the capillary as shown in figure, so that sample gets entered in that capillary tube. In next step, we have to tie the capillary tube containing compound and thermometer together with the help of thread or rubber ring, and we have to immerse this thermometer and capillary tube into Thales tube containing liquid paraffin. The capillary tube should not be completely deep in liquid paraffin, because liquid paraffin may enter to capillary tube. That substance, organic substance, may get dissolved. After complete assembly, heat the Thales tube containing liquid paraffin with the help of burner. Heat the side tube of Thales tube, so liquid paraffin get circulate in the Thales tube and it will get uniform temperature. Repeat this process for twice and record the temperature at which substance get melts. Observations. First observation, the organic substance get melts at 120 degrees Celsius. In second round, organic substance get melt at 122 degrees Celsius, and in third round, organic substance get melt at 120 degrees Celsius. We have to take a mean of these three melting point records. Results of melting point determination. The melting point of given sample is 121 degrees Celsius. This is mean of three observations. The melting point of given sample as per the official book is 122 degrees Celsius. The benzoic acid having melting point according to official book is 122 degrees Celsius. And the conclusion for this experiment, the melting point of given organic compound is not same as the value stated in a official book or literature. It may be due to presence of impurities in the given organic compound. If melting point changes from its original value, there may be impurities in the compound. Hence, the given sample is pure because official and observation temperature is similar to each other. The questions from this experiment: define melting point, identification in organic compound, and whether impurity increases or decreases, it has no effect on melting point. Thank you.